What's up, guys? This is Jared with the Columbia Watch Society. Hope you guys are having a good day. Just got another box in with a watch in it, specifically a company that you can look up on Instagram, spelled Sternglas, and I'm gonna pronounce it the best I can, but I believe it's pronounced Sternglas. I want to say Sternglas, but that's not it. That's my southernness trying to take over. But Sternglas, and this particular model is the Zirkel model. Never seen one in person, but I'm about to open the box and show you the one that we got. This isn't necessarily a review, it's just an unboxing to show off this new piece from Sternglas. So I'm going to start opening it. Gonna avoid cutting my arm off. Haven't opened it yet. Actually, when I got it in, my kids opened it thinking that it was something for them, so it was partially open, gotta admit. But anyway, okay, so little postcard type deal there with Sternglas. Looks like a little sticker with their name on it. Some packing there. Alright, put this aside. Has a little slide box. Slide it out there. Alright. Here's a box. Box made out of basically like a fine grade cardboard. Slip it off, and inside it's got a couple booklets here. Guarantee, manual, kind of cool format. And here it is, sitting here in the bottom. The Zirkel from Sternglas. We got the white model, and I believe the strap, it's a leather strap, and I believe the strap is, see if I can get a good focus on that, really clean design. I'll go ahead and mention that it's based off of the and inspired by the Bauhaus. Dude, I have no idea how to pronounce these words, man, but I'm giving it my best, man. The Bauhaus design, very minimalist. The case is 40 millimeter, 10 millimeters high, so it's fairly thin, and it's a 20 millimeter lug width strap. The strap has a dome AR sapphire glass. It's the movement inside, and I won't go too much more in detail than this until we do a full review and a full look at the watch. But it's got a Miyota 821A automatic. So I'll pull it out here, give you a quick look, and then we're done for today. Not going to take the sticker off just yet. She's already churning away there. It's windable, I see. Pull it out, and it does hack. The two positions, so it's a push-pull crown. And you can see the movement there, the Miyota 821A movement through the case back. Anyway, we'll get into it a little deeper on our article, our written article, and do a video review of the thing a little more in depth after we spend some time with it and get to know it a little better. But anyway, just wanted to share another unboxing with you guys.